まず、町川区をご案内いたします。渋谷駅入り口は、多摩川高島屋ショッピングセンター前から発車しております。渋谷駅のお客様、
How many people? How many people do you think? 100,000? Yeah, 100,000 people.
変更約しております。ご利用するため、アイルとお皿やゆっくりとお進みください。
If you feel pain in your eyes because of dust and dust, please do not rub your eyes and please come to the first aid station in the main tent.
Why? Shut
You
up.
are requested to bring your
You
dust
already
to
did
the
it.
village.
You got already ate, so it's too late.
Inappropriate marble, no marble, cup or bottle. Do not litter on your way home. This is the end of Tomorrow Fireworks Festival 2009. It is very dark, so please walk carefully.
Freaking zombie movie out here.
In order to
Huh?
That's zombie here.
Yeah, it's a zombie movie. You want to try and move forward, or we just stand here?
avoid
Big hole.
please stay here longer and postpone going home. The closing of Togo buses and Dogawa City buses may be restricted. If it is too crowded,
You want me to get it?
our tourist buses here. There are no temporary tourists outside of this area. Please use the tourists in this area. We would like to give an announcement to people with small children. This site and Tamagawa City are very crowded now.
I hate this part.
For small children. Please stay here and wait for further instructions. This is announcement to those living near event site.
Just taking a picture of the zombies.
皆様、前の方に続いて、順序よく、ゆっくりと、糸をお進みください。決して前の方を押したり、一人急いで帰ることのないよう、皆様、順序よく前の方に続いてお進みください。お帰りなさい。お足元に一部悪い箇所がございます。皆様、お足元のご確認もお願いいたします。
Give Mama kisses.
現在こちらの通路は大変混雑しております。皆様、前の方に続いて順序よく